Or calls the case of the people versus Cody Jolly. Hello, what's your name?
Cody Lee Jolly.
Um,
There was no counsel appointed.
how did that happen?
I was representing myself.
You're gonna represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what do you want to do today?
Is this pre-trial then?
This is a probable cause conference. That concerns me if you don't know that and they're gonna represent
Yeah, I'm
yourself.
gonna plead not guilty in this case.
Okay, you already entered a plea. What are you gonna do with the hearing today?
The hearing today,
Yes.
I'm just gonna plead not guilty.
Okay, that's you've done that.
Right.
So what do you want to do with this case?
I mean, it's up to you. I'm not understanding what.
No, you're not. It's not up to me. You
Plead
tell
not
me what
guilty,
you want to
take it
do.
pre-trial.
Pardon?
My hope was to take it to pre-trial.
Well, the next stage will be a preliminary examination. Is that what you want?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
The preliminary hearing.
Yeah.
It's another case similar to this, and then there's other options. If I'm seeking discovery, or if I'm seeking this, if I'm seeking that.
Oh,
for trial, right?
Is there a reason you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes,
Because
Your Honor.
I see this thing
I've
getting
represented-
south real fast.
I've represented myself before, and I prefer to, Your Honor.
Have you requested discovery?
I have not.
Why not? You're here at probable cause conference. Why haven't you requested discovery?
The for me, there was no issue, there was no conflict, there's no case. There's no case whatsoever.
You requested discovery. You know what discovery is?
Can I request?
Do you know what discovery is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
All the evidence in the case.
Okay, have you requested that from the people?
I have not.
Then how do you know there's nothing there?
Can I request it now?
You're gonna have to do it in your own way to request it.
Do you
I
want it
mean,
by
I can't help you through this process.
Would you like
wanna
it by mail?
represent yourself,
I'd like to represent myself.
then you're gonna have to request discovery.
Do you want me to request discovery?
I don't care what you do. I'm just telling you, if you're gonna represent yourself, you're gonna need to request discovery. You haven't even requested discovery.
I currently I am right now. If you'd rather me do it by mail, I can do it by mail.
Well, there's a way in which you do it.
I understand. You got to file it to the circuit, or to the circuit court, to the prosecutor,
for Pete's sakes.
and also to the
No,
yes.
that is not how it happens.
In front of you, then is the other.
No,
Okay, how does that happen? Sure. Then
I'm not here to help you.
I understand.
I'm here to set the case.
I filed for case of study.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. People have their witnesses available on the 12th?
We could try, Your Honor.
Well, you can at least start it.
Yes.
Okay, that's what we'll do.
He was made aware of his constitutional right to an attorney, and he's officially raised.
He was made aware of that before,
Just making sure that it's on.
and he wishes to proceed forth. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the dangers in representing yourself.
I do understand.
Did you want counsel to help you?
No, I do not. Not this time.
Your Honor, and just for the record, and so that defendant is aware, he is charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. That is a high court misdemeanor, punishable by up to 2 years and or $500.
You understand that, sir, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Let's not set it for prelim. Do you know how to, you don't even know how to go about getting the discovery on this case, do you? Do you want to talk to somebody about how to try to get your discovery on it?
I can honestly do it myself. If you'd like me to discover, I can file for discovery.
You don't even know how to do that.
Okay,
Do you know what you do to get discovery?
Before, usually when I file I file them by mail or in front of the judge, or I request it.
Okay, look. Trying to offer you somebody to talk to so they can show you how to get your discovery.
Yeah, but
Would you like to do that?
Yeah.
So how do you intend on getting your discovery? Because you file a motion and you haven't requested it as a prosecutor, I'm not granting it. You're gonna be wasting everybody's time.
Okay, so if you don't accept it by mail or in front of you, in what way would you prefer me to file for the motion?
Oh, for Pete's sakes.
Every judge is different, so
No, every judge in this county isn't different. Welcome to Washington.
I've been to Washington, I think. Fortunately. Yeah.
Would you like somebody to help you at least tell you how to get discovery in this
If
case?
someone wants to tell me, that'd be great, but I still prefer to represent myself.
I don't care if you represent yourself.
What's wrong?
I'm asking you because you have no discovery. You're gonna walk into a preliminary
Yes,
examination
if you,
and it's going to be a problem.
right, if you prefer it to be.
I don't
Motion to be
care.
filed
I'm not,
differently
it's
than
not an
myself
issue
also.
of my preference.
Okay.
I'm trying to get somebody to help you before you become an absolute disaster regarding this case. So I will make the offer again. Would you like to talk to somebody about how to get your discovery?
I would love to talk to him anyway.
Mr. Gaddy, will you please speak with this gentleman about how to get his discovery? I would appreciate it. Oh, I'm not passing. I'm just gonna give a new date.
Oh, okay.
Because it's not gonna come back up here before me, not today. I'll adjourn this matter to March 21st, 2023 for 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a question for you, and I have a tether that's on that I can't afford. Is there any way that there was just because of stipulations of ROR? I'm wondering if if it's possible to remove it.
To remove the tether?
Yes, Your Honor. Since I'm not a flight risk or anything, I'm just living in town.
Denied.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Okay.